Hello and welcome to our video on Magento extension support. Whether you're a developer, store owner, or just starting with Magento, managing extensions can be tricky. But don't worry, we've got 3 essential tips to help you ensure your extensions run smoothly and keep your store performing at its best. Tip number 1, regularly update your extensions. Magento extensions evolve, and so do security patches, bug fixes, and new features. Keeping your extensions up to date ensures you're benefiting from the latest improvements and avoiding potential vulnerabilities. Tip number 2, always check the compatibility of your extensions with your current version of Magento. An extension that's not compatible with your Magento version can cause functionality issues, slowdowns, or even crashes. Before installing or updating any extension, check the extension's documentation or the Magento Marketplace to ensure it's compatible with your version. If you're unsure, contact the extension support team for confirmation. Tip number 3, take full advantage of extension support resources. Most extension developers offer comprehensive support, including FAQs, troubleshooting guides, and even live chat or ticket systems. If you're facing issues with an extension, don't hesitate to reach out to the developer support team. They can often provide quick solutions or guidance to resolve any problems you're encountering. Thanks for watching. For more tips and Magento insights, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos. See you next time.